Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm gonna do a simple little Valentine's Day look, and it's this one. And I just wanted to let you guys know I haven't posted in the past week because I have been sick, and I'm so sorry for being like, I don't know, out of the YouTube world and not connecting with you guys, but I am back and I will be posting more consistently. I'm so sorry for that setback, but I'm here and I hope that you like this look, and it's super easy and quick, so let's get to it.
Bad vibes, gotta dodge those. Get the money, gotta stack those. Move solid, never doubt it, hold up, bro.
Okay, so let's get started on this look. First, what am I doing first? Let's go together. Okay. Eyebrows. You guys already know for my eyebrows, I'm going to be using my Anastasia Ebony Dip Brow. I literally haven't put on makeup in so long because I've been sick, as you guys know, which is why I haven't recorded videos in so long, and I'm so sorry for that. But I'm back, and let's hope I'm better. Okay, now for the cleanup of my eyebrows, I'm going to be using the LA Pro Conceal Creamy Beige. If you happen to hear talking in the background, it's my boyfriend because he doesn't know how to shut up while playing video games. So now I'm gonna go ahead and prime my face, you know, the usual. And today I'm using Baby Skin. What a surprise, but I literally have been hooked. So yeah, and the look we're gonna go for today is gonna be very simple because for anybody who wants to do a little simple glam for Valentine's Day. So, yeah, our base of our face needs to be on point, being that the eyeshadow part is so simple and easy. So, today, I'm going to be trying out the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop Full Coverage Foundation. The color I'm in is caramel. I don't know if this is gonna be too dark, but we're gonna see, right? Because I don't know. Wet my face a little bit, you know, the deal. So let's try it out. Is it gonna be too dark? I don't think so. I think we'll be fine. Let me move my hair because I'm not trying to make it messy. Wait, looks good. Oh, it's a little bit orangey, and I don't have that orangey kind of undertone. Damn, I think I put too much. is really, really orange. And how am I gonna fix it? We'll see. In the store it looked good. What the fuck? We're gonna try and make this look good because it's already on my face, and I got places to be. Oh, why did I pick this foundation for this video? I don't know, because people be putting like really dark foundations. So is it because my foundation is too white for my face and this is what I should be using? 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm so mad. Honestly, this is what I get for trying something on camera for you guys, especially freaking foundation. What was I thinking? I'll do that with the other thing. Go ahead and blend this contour. I just don't want people like flaming me. Why is your foundation darker than you are? Because I chose the wrong one. That's why. Alright? You never made a mistake before? Jeez. You fix this. That is one thing I hate about foundation is my lips look so crusty. Like if I ate a powdered donut or something. And definitely not a fan of it. I don't think anybody is. But if you are, cool for you. Alright. What am I doing? If you're wondering why I'm doing my face first, because I usually do my eyeshadow after my eyebrows, like you guys already know, it's because the look we're doing for the eyeshadows is so easy and it won't have like that much fallout. And I think it's better to do it like after, because I like, with this look, I like to make sure that like my concealer is already on so that I can put the color in the inner corner. Well, now I'm gonna put on some blush. You guys know I love my blush. Now for the other fun part. And I can't even sing. Baby, it's eyeshadow time. Alright, so for this look, we're going to be using the I Want It All Kylie Jenner Kylie Cosmetics eyeshadow kit, and I might put some of that blush on because I forgot it was in there. I'm going to be using Party Time, which is up here all over my lid. And I'm going in with my Morphe M535 brush, and I just want it to go everywhere. This look is so simple. Look, even if you didn't want to do what I'm going to do next, you can just leave the pink on, pop on some lashes and some liner, and be Gucci. Now I'm just going to take a little bit of Forever Young, which is this pink right here, and just apply it on the base as well, on top, just a little bit. Okay, so now that we have that on, we're gonna go in with the new black, which is the one in the middle right here, this pink. And what we're gonna do is apply it on our inner corner, just like our girl Kylie. And it's gonna look so cute. Then we're gonna apply it to our bottom lash line thing after I put on my lashes. And you know what? I'm gonna use the NYX Ultimate I'm gonna use this little palette to brighten the pink up a bit. I posted this look on my like a selfie on my Instagram, and so many people liked it, and I'm so proud. So now I'm gonna go ahead and put it on the inner corner, on the bottom. Need some lip gloss and some color. And the lip gloss that I'm using is a Too Faced Lip Injection Glossy, and I like to put it on first so I can get that little plump effect. Okay, my dears, I hope that this video was super easy for you, that you loved it, and that your day goes well. If you do choose to do this look, tag me in your pictures, Nashley Maranta, on Instagram and literally all my social media platforms. It'll be linked down below. So make sure you like this video, comment, and share with your friends so that they can all see my videos and we can be a happy big family. Thank you for watching.